The OEM Technologies 90029 replacement pressure washer pump kit is designed for top-notch performance, ensuring high efficiency and minimal engine load. This pump kit is remarkably easy to install, making it an excellent choice for both residential and industrial gas-powered machines with a 3/4-inch diameter shaft. Capable of producing up to 3,400 pounds per square inch at 2.5 gallons per minute, it is powerful enough to handle a wide range of cleaning tasks. The stainless steel pistons and integrated unloader with an easy start system significantly enhance the pump's seal life and reliability. With standard garden hose and threaded M22 connections, this pump is compatible with a variety of pressure washer hoses, including popular models from Simpson and Santoprene. The maintenance-free crankcase and anodized die-cast aluminum construction protect the pump against corrosion, ensuring long-lasting durability.